Hello there, my name is Nasqualo and welcome back to my YouTube channel and to another super urgent cryptocurrency and especially Bitcoin update and to what's going on right now, because we are seeing this massive preparation for a big move in Bitcoin, and this is going to be a very fast update. So if you're new to the channel, please hit that subscribe button. Hit that notification bell so that you're notified when I make a new upload. And remember that down in the description of this video, there is a link to my free Telegram channel, which you can join and participate in all the things that we are doing. It's a really cool community and it's free. So if you're a trader or an aspiring trader, it's a great place to learn. And without any further ado, let's just jump right into it and get over all of these important things. So, because this is a super fast video, and let me know down in the comments if you're enjoying these fast videos, because life in Monaco is absolutely crazy and we have to run, and my wife is waiting for me and she's like, Thomas, do it fast, because I said I have to make a video because I take care of my YouTube family. So for that, leave me a like on this video, but if you don't want to like it, that's fine. At least still enjoy this awesome content. Now, big preparation for either a massive move upward to a potential target, and this is important, with a potential target of over $36,000, which is, guys and girls, very possible. And I'm going to tell you how to identify which direction it's going to be. And also another option, which at this point, and legal disclaimer, I'm not a financial advisor in this instance, so I'm just discussing exactly what I personally see and what I personally am going to be doing. So, and which actually looks a bit more possible is the move downward to retest this current local low of about $25,000 right here. Because, I mean, the reason why I'm saying it looks more likely currently is because of the formation itself. So you could actually say that this was some kind of a squeezing here, and then maybe it's going to squeeze a bit more and then break down. Because remember, when we have these kinds of big moves down, these kinds of consolidations are usually interpreted as more bearish than bullish, but the things can change very fast. And of course, if you want to be treating this breakout that I'm going to tell you in a second actively and make some money on it, then look no further than Bybit, and I'll be personally opening a trade over on Bybit. And with my exclusive link down in the description of this video or in the pinned comment, you'll get up to $4,100 of bonus money on top of real money, on top of your initial deposit, only if you're going to use my link to sign up with Bybit, which by the way takes only 20 seconds. And you're also going to get a 30-day 0% maker fee, so you'll save yourself a lot of money on fees as well if you're an active trader. And Bybit has been voted as the most transparent crypto exchange in 2021, so enjoy that. That's really awesome. Now, well, how can we identify, and this is the most important part of the video, how can we identify whether we're going to break down or we're going to break up? And that's going to the answer is going to lie in everything that I've said in the previous few days. So if you haven't watched my videos, go back and watch them. I don't have any time today to make a super detailed one, but let me just tell you the most important aspect, and that is going to be the inflation report that we are so waiting for. So number one, personal consumption expenditures price index. We're waiting for this report on the May of 27th, which is, guess what? It's tomorrow. And so watch out for this one, because Fed gives a lot of weight to it. Tomorrow is going to be the most important because it's going to give us an incentive of what's going on, and that all the numbers are going to be clear anyway. So tomorrow, watch out for this thing, and because if it's going to be bad, then we are going to see definitely Bitcoin break down, and it's going to go all the way down to probably retest $25,000. So this is what I'm going to be personally doing. I'm going to put in a sizable trade over on Bybit, a sizable short trade, because we have to break out of this sooner or later. And to be honest, as I said many times before, and call me Mr. Spot On down in the comments right now, because I told you about this, that we're going to jog along for a while. And I told you this in the previous videos, because we right now are waiting for Fed to decide what to do. And Fed is also waiting for this report right here. And I told you about this. So if you've taken any potential breakdowns or breakups from here, it's on you. You didn't listen to me. And now, a word from my sponsor today, which is myself, thomascrollo.com, 5 months long trading education, certified and accredited to teach you how to actively scalp trade, day trade, swing trade, as well as put together long-term investment portfolios in the world of stocks, crypto, how to do on-chain analysis, how to do fundamental analysis, macro analysis, how to do technical analysis, how to combine it all in one strategy, how to actually do proper backtesting, not bullshit backtesting like everybody does, but Thomas Crollo level of backtesting, how to actually prepare yourself for real money trading, how to transition from a educational stage to real money trading without any unnecessary losses. So that's one of the best trading learning programs out there in the world, which takes about 5 months to complete. Yes, it's a lot of learning, but at the same time, it's what you need if you want a standing chance in the market. So click the link down in the description or in the pinned comment, or go directly to thomaskrallo.com, use the code 20OFF and become one of my full-time students and save yourself years of time, as well as potentially thousands of dollars that you could otherwise lose in the market as any other uneducated trader, even though those traders think that they know what they're doing until they lose everything. So yes, that's it, guys and girls. Let me know what you think down in the comments. Always looking forward to your comments, and let me know also if I should make a bigger video today. I'm gonna really try to, because the next 4 days we have Formula One and this and that, and it's crazy time here in Monaco. So I'm trying to keep you updated at least somewhat. So let me know down in the comments which topic should I cover, and I'll see you then. Stay smart, stay rich, and bye-bye.